What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you guys how to replace the rear suspension on a Toyota 4Runner. So we got the bolt off. Don't forget pushing on the retainer, lower the shock just by pushing down on it and remove it like that. Plenty of slack there. Go ahead and see if you can get the spring out. Just kind of push down on the rear differential, the rear axle. You can see the spring is pretty loose. So we're just going to lift up and get right over the hump. There we go. The oil spring is out. There'll be plenty of debris come down. Slide the oil spring out here. Okay, so I wanted to show you all. I actually had to end up replacing my sway bar links. My old ones here cracked, started leaking grease from the boot. So I went ahead and installed new ones for the left and the right side. Pretty simple, straightforward process. You've got your 12mm on top there. Hold the bar down at the 14mm in the middle there. And then you got your 17mm nut in the back right there. Let's see if I can get you guys a better angle right there.